This is it. Operation Chimera. I don't care. First time loading it in, and okay, cool. All right. The most important part. The only reason I'm making this is because Outbreak packs. First one. Actually, let's put some gems. Hold on. Oh, perfect. Wait, what is it? Oof. Oof. Right. That kind of sucks. It's not that good. Next. Frames. Ew. Okay. Oof. Okay. Hold on. How do I do this? Let's see. Hold on. Let's take one of these. Wait, what? Wait, is this? Oh, it's kind of gay. Never mind. Next. Let's see. Not generic. Come on. Give something good. Come on. Oh, you. All right, next one. Last one. Let's see what we get. Let's go. Okay. Oh, okay. Epic. Come on. I have no idea why we have these lower frames. Alright, come on. This is good. Oh, this is really good. Alright, I'm done for now. Alright, peace out.